In front of me, we have the LC500 from Lexus. In my opinion, this reminds me of the baby LFA. The taillights have this 3D effect, keeps on going. You have a turn signal at the bottom. So this is a V8, that's what the 500 stands for. Full carbon roof on the top, very nice. Your 21-inch rims with the massive Lexus brake calipers. Your iconic Lexus grille. Our daytime running LED. We have 3 other projectors up at the top. Turn signal right down there. We got a side profile. So this is a spoiler that comes up at higher speeds, help with stability. I absolutely love this paint. This is by far my favorite Lexus out of all the models. Getting in. We have more carbon down by the door well. Stepping in, you have your iconic Lexus steering wheel. Your paddle shift is up by the side, feels very premium. We have our digital gauge cluster, same as the LFA, that's $1 million. Favorite feature is this door handle that's floating with suede finish on the back. Very premium. Let's look at that silhouette. Very nice. We have our Lexus clock up at the top. You have a little armrest here when you're tracking it. A Lexus trackpad. Lexus trackpad right here. A gear lever right here. Cup holder. Not bad. Just listen to that. Very nice. We have our drive mode selector knob at the top. Very nice. Suede finish on top of the gauge cluster head-up display. We have traction off and snow mode on this side. Wow, this thing is just beautiful. As I was talking about the silhouette on the door panel and how the door handle just floats. Very nice. These are the seats, very thick side bolstering. This does have 2 back seats, but I think the only thing you can fit is your tennis rackets or your shoes, honestly. But overall, very nice. So this has 475 horsepower from a V8. They're not going to come out with this anymore, so if you're in the market for this, this is the last of its kind. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.